police right there pulled over. Alright guys, it's the 4th of July. We're about to get this POV drive in. There's a full moon. We're gonna be driving through the city. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna have a little bit of everything. So yeah, we're just gonna hop straight into it, yo. A little cold start. I haven't started this thing in a little while. Cold starts be sounding crazy. Can't get copyrighted, y'all. I'll put this light on. Hopefully that's cool. Not too bright, not too dark. I don't know if you guys can see how full that moon is right there, but it looks insane, y'all. You got this full moon. Like I said, you guys get to hear the cool Procharger noises. It's just gonna be a crazy night, y'all. I'm gonna put the windows down so that y'all can hear it more. I ain't even gonna cap to y'all. I can barely see out this thing.
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
But no, I'm just getting this content for y'all. Everybody out there partying, and I'm really out here getting this content, y'all. Y'all know the grind is different. That's the police right there pulled over. Hopefully, hopefully he's being cool. Or else it's gonna be part of the thumbnail. We're gonna see. Oh, he flipped a U-turn. Thank God, yo. That was crazy. That would have been a horrible start to our POV drive. I didn't even make it to the city yet. But, yeah, I'm not even going to talk too much, y'all. I'm going to let y'all just hear some of the Procharger gasms. What? Feel me? The supercharger noises. I feel like that's the most important thing. Y'all don't really want to hear me talk the whole time, so. Let me hear some downshifts, actually. Oh my goodness. Yeah, hopefully there's no cops out tonight. Dang, that sounds like me. By the way, guys, I have a blown third gear, so we go here, that's a neutral, so we just go second to fourth. It's kind of many. Right now we on the way to downtown, but there's not gonna be many fireworks out right now because it's late. But after that, you know, we gonna start cruising over to the outskirts so that we can see the fireworks and everything. But we about to go see those city lights real quick. I literally can't see a thing right now. Okay. Oh, that was crazy. But now we're just now getting to the city right now. This is probably gonna be my last chance to get a pull, so I'm gonna try to do it right when we get over this little hill right here. Guys, I put on the high beams, it doesn't make any difference, but okay. Make sure there's no cops around. Oh, don't mind me. Just a little second gear thing. Oh yeah, just a little baby pull for y'all. Oh my God, I can hear the tires screeching the whole time. I don't know if it picks it up, but my tires just yeah, I'm on my 20s right now, guys. I'm not on my dry pack, as you saw, so. Oh, this thing's gonna be raw going through the bridge. Y'all gonna like this. I'm really risking getting pulled over out here, y'all. All for y'all. I'm not gonna lie, the car is kind of hot right now. Let me get a little pull with the bridge in the background. A little first gear thing. This is about to be crazy. This smells like burnt rubber out here. It's spinning like crazy, y'all. Yo, appreciate it, boss. Oh yeah, you caught in 4K. You said what's up? Yeah.
Oh, so I can't say nothing crazy, right? Bro, turn the cameras off. Let me say what color it is.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm literally passing by the Capitol right now. I need to get this part. Alright. Got another Mustang that pulled up on me. He likes to load. Oh, don't tell me there's a cop behind us. Nah, we good. Is it? Nah, I hope not. This car's larger than mine. I'm an asshole. We really out here cruising. Stang gang. Like I said, I don't even know what the angle's looking like. I hope it looks nice, guys. Oh yeah, we do that. We do that. Surely. There's nobody out here, bro. This feels so weird. I'm telling you, this is literally like the main hub of where I stay. I mean, you guys probably know about Golden One Center or the downshift. Yeah, I'm making it hot. All right, that's the last pull. I can't lie. I literally heard tires screeching just echo through the whole thing. Yeah, I'm making this spot hot, bro. I gotta be cool. Oh yeah, this is the nicest hotel in the city right here too. Actually, I might y'all tour, guys. Let me just give you guys more POV driving. By the way, guys, this is my first time doing this, so if y'all have any suggestions, just let me know. I like doing these, honestly. This is like kind of personal, you know. I kind of get to talk to y'all. I don't usually get to do that because all my videos are always action-packed. So if you guys ever want to give me topics to talk about, I don't even know. I'm really just playing with it for real, guys. But I like just driving around like this, late night, breaking necks. Yeah, there's really no fireworks over here though, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I don't hear nothing. What's going on? That dude said, what the f? Watch, they're gonna be shook when they pull up next to me. I appreciate it. Those guys were shook, bro. Man, people really turning up on Thursdays? It's really popping down here. That's kind of crazy.
What's the noise? Is it like a power booster or what?
Yeah, it's a supercharger. Yeah.
Where do you get the glasses? I'd like to give me one.
Oh, no, this is just a whole camera right here.
Yeah, the cameras.
Oh, GoPro. Just look them up. Facebook Market and get them for cheap.
I got people doing shit to my car, you know.
Oh, really?
Stupid. I was wondering, because he works down on SAT.
Oh, that's dope.
People usually drunk at night.
Uh-huh.
And they almost hit me all the time, right?
Swear.
I'm driving like an old man. Make sure they don't hit me, you know.
Facts, yeah.
Car,
yeah, appreciate it, boss. Yeah. When everybody start getting in the boost and people hear the blow off valve, you can break everybody's necks. It's hilarious. Nah, these back roads ain't it. I can't see y'all. I'm about to get back to the main road for real. Let me see, can I hit a left right here? Shit. I hope so.
I hope so.
Okay. They were like NPCs. I didn't see them move once. That was crazy. Man, we gotta escape the Matrix out here, y'all. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, it's time to start going towards the fireworks. Let's go. I'm trying to drive extra obnoxious for y'all. But I'm really a chill driver, for real. That's the crazy part. Build these high horsepower cars just to chill. Don't get me wrong, you feel me? You can still fuck around and find out though. This view is always beautiful. Sheesh. You can see the whole bridge, the whole city pretty much. Beautiful. Now back to where you guys came here for. Alright guys, I'm about to get off and turn around and hopefully we can see a few. I just drove like an extra 8 miles just to try to get some fireworks in the shots. Yep, here they are. Let me hop back on the freeway so y'all can really see them. I'm trying to let y'all see them and not crash at the same time. They honk, so I had to let them hear it. This thing's ripping tonight. That boost weather. I see something deep over there. I don't know where that's coming from. Oh, I know you guys see those way over there. Chat, do you guys want me to chase them? Alright, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm literally about to go across the whole entire city just to go get some firework video. Please drop a like and comment for that, y'all. I see another Mustang at that gas station. Oh, and a Hellcat. Oh, 2 Mustangs. Should I go bully them? Now, eyes on the prize. Gotta get these fireworks. Well, they chased me. They're right behind me, so. Like I said, I'm on my 20s, so I can't race them, but I'm gonna scare them. Yo, yo! What's good, man? Yeah.
I think it's right behind me.
I swear. I don't see him right now. Oh yeah. This got hella sideways, y'all. That is crazy. We mobbing now. Them boys mobbing. They out. I see a bunch of them in the distance going this way. Hopefully we can catch some, guys. Almost there. Y'all see them? Oh, yep. wake up. I'm scared to get on it now, guys. I got stupid sideways. But I'm about to pull up on my boy right now. Oh, that was a cop. And I'm gonna still send it through the tunnel. Oh, is that a cop? Oh, neutral. Neutral real quick. Oh no, that's a dart. Oh gosh. Stupid dart. Alright guys, I'm pulling up on my boy right now. Ooh, we're not gonna get many more fireworks, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave some feedback. Like I said, guys, this is my first time ever doing this, and let me know if you guys want to see more. If you did enjoy, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.